There's a reason 95% of product ideas never make a single dollar, and it has nothing to do with how smart the idea is. It's because inventors follow the wrong roadmap from day one. Most people rush to build first and validate later, which feels logical, but is completely backwards. I'm Tavin, and after developing over 2,000 products that have generated billions of dollars for my clients, I can tell you with certainty the successful 5% do something that feels almost wrong at first. They validate first, build second, and profit third. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact three-phase system that flips the entire process upside down, and why this might be the only product launch video you will ever need to watch. Point 1, the death sequence that destroys dreams. Here's a sequence that kills more product ideas than anything else. You get excited about an idea. You rush to build the prototype. You feel productive. You feel smart. And then you realize it can't work as a business. This path feels right because building gives you dopamine. You can touch progress, but you're solving the wrong problems first. I've had clients come to me with beautiful, fully working prototypes. They were proud. They were confident. Then when we ran the numbers, manufacturing costs wiped away any chance of profit. Months of work, tens of thousands of dollars, dead on arrival. And then there's the patent trap. Inventors spend $5, $10, sometimes $20,000 or more just to protect an idea before knowing if it's even worth protecting. Why this happens? Because we're wired to create, not validate. Smart people love building things, but the inventors who actually get rich do something that feels completely backwards. Point 2, the 3 make or break questions. Most product failures aren't about bad ideas. They're about skipping 3 fundamental questions. Question 1, the market reality question. How do you know people will actually pay for this? Not say they like it, not say it's cool, well, they buy it. Most inventors confuse interest with intent, and that mistake is lethal. Question 2, the manufacturing truth question. What will this really cost to make it scale? Here's the trap. 3D printing lies to you. Your prototype looks cheap to make until real-world tooling, materials, labor, and packaging show up. That's where margins disappear. Question 3, the customer cost question. How much will it cost to reach your buyer? This is the silent killer. Ads, distribution, retail margins. A product can look profitable on paper and still lose money every time it sells. And here's the painful part. Discovering these questions after you build costs 10 times more than learning them before you start. Once you know these answers, you're ready for the system that changes everything. I just showed you how inventors blow 50 grand following the wrong sequence. If you're wondering whether your idea is about to become one of those disasters, here's what to do. I'll run your specific idea through these 3 questions and tell you straight up, is it worth pursuing or should you kill it before it kills your savings? Links in the description. Don't guess when you can know. Point 3, the backwards launch system. Your complete roadmap. The best inventors don't solve engineering problems first. They solve business problems first. I call this the rabbit approach. You prove the business exists before you design anything. Phase 1, market intelligence. You confirm real demand exists. You validate pricing. You make sure people will actually pay. No guessing, no hope. Phase 2, business architecture. You lock in manufacturing costs, you define margins, you know exactly how the product makes money before committing. This is where most products should die, cheaply. Phase 3, strategic building. Now and only now, you design and prototype. Because at this point, you already know it can be profitable. This approach gets products to market faster, not slower. Why? You eliminate the expensive trial and error cycle. This is where experience matters. Senior engineers don't just design better products. They avoid mistakes that junior designers don't even see coming. That's the real advantage. The roadmap is everything. The sequence determines everything. Right idea plus wrong sequence equals failure. Average idea, right sequence equals success. Most inventors fail because they solve engineering challenges before business challenges. Now you have the complete framework that separates winners from expensive failures. Your idea has potential. It's not about working harder. It's about following the right roadmap to unlock it. You can spend the next 6 months wondering if your idea is worth it. We can find out in 30 minutes. I've seen the exact pattern play out over 2,000 times. I know which ideas make money and which ones burn through savings. Most inventors learn this expensive way. After it's too late, don't be that person. Get the answer first, build second, links below. And if you want to see exactly how the build first approach destroys even brilliant ideas, watch I Stopped Building Prototypes First next. It breaks down the psychology trap that keeps smart people making very expensive mistakes.